Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the AI tools of the Vidnoz website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the Windows AI and then we have to create our account. And after creating our account, what we have to do simply we need to go to the option which is called AI tools. So we have to click on this AI tools. And after clicking on this AI tools, you will be able to see the different types of a lot of AI tools here. Like if you want a AI talking photo, you can also use that. If you want AI text to speech, you can also do that. AI face swapper, AI voice changer, AI image to video. These all types of AI options are provided here. You have to choose that which one you want to use. So as you can see, for example, we are going to try like the AI talking photo. So you have to click on this. And after clicking on this, what we're going to do simply we have to upload a picture and we have to provide the voiceover and all. As you can see, here's the option for the upload and then here's the option for the generate. So we have to provide these. As you can see here, we have to provide the speech here, we have to provide the script here, and here we have to upload the image here. For example, I'm going to upload a simple and random image. For example, I'm going to upload this image here. So as you can see, I uploaded the image, and after uploading the image, as you can see, here's the option for the AI generate, and then simply we have to click on the AI generate. As you can see, different types of options are provided here. You have to choose that. For example, I'm going to choose this one. You can also choose anyone, whatever you want, and then simply you have to hit the generate video, and after clicking on the generate video, it will generate your video. So in this way, you can use the AI options on the Vidnoz website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.